Hello guys, I'm going to continue this Technical Topic Tuesday series more effectively in 2021, and here I am posting the first video for 2021. As I am a lot more interested in data science, AI and blockchain, I would like to share the topics related to those areas through this series, as well as if anybody would like to volunteer and contribute to this hashtag Technical Topic Tuesday series with your skills, just reach out to me on LinkedIn or any other social media platforms, and I would be happy to have you to contribute to this series as well. So more effectively, I will be writing blogs and making the videos whenever there is a necessity. So today I'm going to talk about the top or free open source Python IDEs we can use in 2021. So let's just have a look of those Python IDEs, and then I'm going to install and configure one of those. So let's just begin. Um, so the first step, actually what I will see is free or kind of open source Python IDE 2021. This is like a Google search I'm going to do, and if you see, I have a couple of links now, like hacker.io. Like I can see that 10 best Python IDs are code editors in 2021, 12 best Python IDs code editors, and this is the best part of learning, because you have a lot of things available open source and free in the data science, and you can learn online a lot of things. So today I'm just going to focus on installing one IDE for Python. So PyCharm you must be aware of already. Some of you might have used. There is one which is built on the basis of Eclipse, which is PyDev, then PyCharm. Then you can see that they have listed the advantages and disadvantages also. Also you have the platform specific information for that particular IDE, which is Sublime Text is there, Visual Studio Code, Vim, GNU, advantages, Atom, Idle, okay, then Spider, and then Thorny. Okay, these are the top 10 which are listed by hacker.io, and I think I never used this Spider actually, and it sounds like a good thing. So I'm just going to install this one for now. So let me just go to the Spider IDE installation. So there is a page called spiderid.org where you will see the information about this IDE, components, IPython console, editor, variable explorer. Okay, sounds good to me. And if I see, I have download for Windows as well. So it has like a standalone installer available. So overview, okay. So I will just go ahead and download the standalone installer for and you have the installation instructions page as well, where you can see the more information. I think it has standalone installer, plus it has you can install the Spider with to run the Spider after installing with Anaconda. You can run it with the Anaconda as well. So let's just go and do the standalone installer. I'm just going to say that open once done. Okay, so it is open. I'll say yes, and if I can say I do have the setup, next, then I agree, then install just for me. Actually I don't want anybody else to access that one. Say next, then location looks good to me, and then I'll say install, and it started installing. So as I installed the standalone application, when I search here, I should be able to see it is installed on my system, and I'm just looking into searching into my applications, and I'm like going to open it. So I will say ignore because it is still downloading. So I don't want to reinstall because it is already installed on my system. So I'll just go ahead and open that spider. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. It's similarly like I have used the RStudio as well, so I can see that it looks similar kind of IDE where you have like your console, you have your source console, and then you have a code region where you can type your code and name your files, and you have the browse where you can browse your location of the Python code file. So it looks good, and your IDE is installed. If we didn't find this one like useful, we'll go back, always go back and install the PyCharm or Jupyter Notebook or something like that. But right now I'm good actually because I also want to try this Spider IDE. That's it for today, and as I always say, happy learning as well as happy reading. Let's read together. Stay safe. Bye for now. See you in the next video.